If you want to set a song as a ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you just have to go to Settings on your phone. Then we're gonna find Sounds and Vibrations somewhere over here, so you want to go into the Settings, and then you can tap on the ringtone option. Keep in mind that if you have two SIMs active on your phone, then you can choose between them for whichever one you want to set the ringtone. And over here you might be able to find like couple of songs that of course you can set up pretty easily over here. But if you have your own song that you wish to set, then you want to tap on this plus in the upper right corner. Now, in this case, we need to have our song saved on our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. We need to make sure that it is stored in the phone. And once you are sure that you have your song on this phone, then you should be able to find it here in the sound picker. If you go here for the first time, you might need to grant a permission for the sound picker to grant, well, you will have to grant access to music and audio. And then you should be able to find all audio files on your phone, so you can just choose the song that you wish to set and tap on the done here in the upper right corner, and also make sure that it is selected. Your song is selected here on this list. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.